think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
All right, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. And you already know, if you're looking for online coaching or meal plans, programs, go to beastmode316.com. So we're starting off the leg workout with some donkey calf raises. Old school movement, fam. A lot of gyms I'm starting to see are putting donkey calf raises in their gym. So you know, that exercise might gain more popularity in the future, all right? So here we are, jumping it off with some hip abductors. Now this particular day, cut the volume a bit, just doing a nice simple leg routine, okay? Did one calf exercise, did some hip abductor to get the glutes and hips warm. Now we're doing a seated hamstring curl, really doing reps, focusing on that squeeze as you see right there, nice little pause at the bottom, really making love, sweet love to the hams. Now here we are doing some leg press, okay? Just want to pump it out, nice control form, get deep, keep the feet about hip width, and just bang out those reps, nice and controlled. Like I said, this particular day, not really going high volume, just moderate volume, real simple and effective routine, okay? Focusing on form, technique, and quality reps, all right? So here we are on the next exercise, some hack squats. Mix it up, you know, sometimes do the hack squat first, sometimes do leg press first. It really just depends. Mix it up, fam, okay? Just trying to keep it together. Keep it together. Keep myself in shape. Keep it whole ready, okay? Banging out some hack squats, just kept it at 2 plates. Got deep on the reps, all right? And here we are finishing off quads with some leg extensions. So as you see, did some leg press, did some hack squats, and some leg extensions. That's it. Did some seated ham curls earlier, and we're finishing off with some stiff leg using the dumbbells. We mix it up, you know, we go between RDL, stiff legs, just mix it up. Just making sure we're hitting the muscles from multiple angles, fam. All right, like I said earlier, you want training, go to beastmode316.com and stay tuned right here. I ran into a client. I want y'all to meet Eric, okay? Bam.
Small world, just ran into an online client, coached him in the past. Go and say hi, Eric.
What's up, Eric? I got coached by Chris back in 2016. So we made hell against, and then, you know, we still at it. 10 years later, we're still in the gym.
He's still in it. Now talk about the marathon, because you know, a lot of people feel like if you run a lot, you're gonna get all shriveled up.
Oh, hell no. Running got me like in better shape, to be honest. It made me look bigger, to be honest.
And you're in a marathon, you just came from a marathon.
Sunday, yeah, 2 days ago. I'm back in the gym today.
When you do marathon, do you increase your protein or anything?
My macros, yeah, I do like 170, 180 grams of protein. Just keep it consistent.
And you never go any higher during the marathon season?
No, just during like my carbs, I do like increase. Like last week, I was like doing 400, 500 grams of carbs every single day. Carb load.
That's always fascinating. That's one thing I never really got into. Running. Because you know, marathon, I feel you gotta eat more. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, you definitely do. I mean, I was running, I did 13.1 miles, so less than 2 hours. So yeah, we did that Sunday, and then we're prepping for High Rocks in Houston.
That's crazy.
3 weeks.
There it is, fam. Y'all see, living the lifestyle long after coaching, running marathons and look at him. What's your height and weight?
I'm 167 right now. I'm 5'10".
And we look way bigger when the cuts are.
You look big.
When the cuts are popping, you look bigger.
Yeah.
There it is, fam. Always like
that. Hey, nice to you, man. You inspired me, bro. You inspired me.
You're inspiring me.
Hey.
silence before we fuck up these weights.